Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this Letus 35 extreme depth of field adapter. These are used for video cameras and camcorders to create like a film shallow depth cinematic like blurred background, and you can use 35mm photography lenses with this thing. This is not a demo or a review of this thing. This is just a physical look of this item. Just wanted to show what it looks like. It's got a cover there in the front. Then it's got a model number here, M72S. And here's the connector here. I believe it's for Canon, EF, or EOS. And then on this side is a battery compartment. You can use 2 AA batteries. And then when you hit the button, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a vibration. It does have a sticker on the bottom that says Chris D'Angelo Production. And Chris D'Angelo is a producer of some videos, really popular children's videos, like Leapfrog videos and Baby Einstein. So I'm not sure how that was used with animated stuff, but this is, again, just has that sticker here. So that was really interesting with this item. One more close-up of this. And then here. All right, that's pretty much it. Just again, wanted to show you what this thing looks like physically. And that's it. All right. Hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.